This week on The Toxic Inspector. The inspector's past finally catches up to him.
Inspector, you're gonna want to take a look at this.
And this time,
By Jove! If it isn't my old nemesis, pesticides.
no one is safe.
Wilson! Stop!
Oh, hey, Inspector. I was just about to have some of this tasty pineapple.
Wilson, you idiot! That thing's crawling with pesticides.
I don't think so, Inspector. After all, it's not like I'm eating the outside of the pineapple.
That's just it, Wilson. People think that fruits with hard shells are protected from pesticides, but they aren't.
They aren't?
No! In fact, fruits with tough skin are more likely to rely on their roots to absorb water and nutrients, introducing pesticides into the whole system.
The whole system?
That's right. And the pesticides used on that pineapple have been linked to Parkinson's disease.
Parkinson's disease?
I'm begging you, Wilson. Put the pineapple down. That's why you've got to buy organic, man.
Don't miss an exciting new episode of The Toxic Inspector, only on Dherbs TV.